Air.
Well, I don't know if everybody's in here. Where is... Oh, there you are.
Andre's right here. How do you miss Andre?
How much bigger do I have to get?
We're not. Don't answer that.
I'm sorry. We were out admiring your Barfetta.
Hey, I brought that because Bobby wanted to look at it.
I may be interested in. Don't tell my wife. Kind of like when I bought this, but that's another fucking story. Oh, I might have another race car coming this weekend too.
All right, so we established previously that this is beyond help, right?
Yes.
That's fucked.
Okay. So, and we went out and we got this.
At the junkyard.
Because we really thought, we're going to get another one, put it on. So, we're going to do that tonight. We're going to start the process tonight. I don't know how far we're going to get. What we have to do is cut this off. And we had a surgeon.
Yeah, we actually had a surgeon do it.
Not a surgeon.
An oncologist.
Yes.
Who had a residency cutting people open.
No.
No!
Poisoning people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
you were joking.
Yeah.
More.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
But you did well in geometry.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, he laid down
TV.
some really nice lines here. But
Oncology.
You gotta realize,
Gynecology. Just kidding.
okay, you gotta
Then you can be a
realize
gynecologic oncologist.
that when we cut this, the cutoff wheel has a width, the line has a width, and the last thing that we want to do is end up with a gap that we have to try to fill with weld. It's not pretty.
That's not good.
It's
Yeah.
not pretty. So what we're going to do, and I just want to confirm this with the layer of the line, when you put this
That was
line
both of
down,
us.
we got to cut on this side of the line, right?
Correct.
Okay. Well, we're going to cut just a little bit and just a tiny bit.
Yeah, like an eighth.
Toward us side of the line.
Yes. And then we're going to take, it's going to take a little bit of fitting to get this to everything to fit properly before we stitch. Where did the butterfly clamps go to?
They are in the pouch. There's an Amazon pouch over yonder there.
You should have told me we were doing this. I could have brought the...
I just saw it. Hold on.
Well, I did tell you.
Yeah, it's right there. Pardon my disaster. I cleaned in like 20 minutes to get.
Okay, watch, I've got the cash.
So,
hang on a minute, I
the
gotta
car,
get through
because
this
we're
rabbit
taking
hole.
a big multi-shaped corner out that the car might flex, move as we've got it out.
Nope.
Okay.
How are you going to actually make sure that when you rebuild it
That's
back on, it's stable enough like it was new? You're just going to re-weld this piece up? Okay.
So, did that answer your question?
Well, isn't it going to be fundamentally weaker because you put that weld in?
No.
All right.
No, if you're welding, if you are welding, you end up with something that is structural as a single piece.
Okay.
So what happens is, and this is the tricky part of this, is getting everything right, getting it dimensionally aligned so that it fits where it belongs. And then when you weld it, it's called stitch welding.
Okay.
We're going to do little stitches that are, in the beginning, they're going to be 2-3 inches apart because we don't want to put a lot of heat in the panel and warp it.
Okay.
And then we'll put stitches between the 2 and 3 inches until we have a full line of weld.
This seems to be the right panel, not the left panel, if you look at it. The tail lamp is up here.
Well,
Very tight.
Yeah,
Chuck cut it off the left side of the car.
yeah, that's the...
Well,
Side.
this
Okay, never mind. Okay.
All, yeah, it's all an issue of perspective.
Yeah, okay.
this goes right here.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
That's okay. No, that's fine. We made a special trip and did some dumpster diving and some sawzalling,
That's always good.
and we ended up with that. And now we have this. When I look at this line, what's with this line right here? Oh,
That was
an
my
index.
reference line.
Okay. What concerns me when I look at this line, it kind of goes like this.
Well, that's how this does too. It follows
Oh,
that
it does.
exactly.
It does. Okay, never mind.
We made a nice template.
I'll be quiet. Okay, so we should start cutting.
Let's cut.
Let's cut.